In this quick guide, we'll show you how to replace the cartridge in your stylish kitchen faucet step by step. Before removing the cartridge, make sure to close the shutoff valves to avoid water leaks. Start by removing the rubber cap located under the faucet handle. Use an Allen key to unscrew and release the handle. Once loose, pull the handle outward to remove it. Use your hands to unscrew and remove the cartridge cover. Use a plier wrench to unscrew and loosen the cartridge nut. Once the nut is out, pull out the old cartridge. Ensure the cartridge chamber is completely clean and free of debris. Insert the new cartridge, making sure to align the prongs with the cavity holes. Place the cartridge nut back and tighten it with the plier wrench. Reattach the cartridge cover by hand. Place the handle back and secure it using the Allen key. Finally, place the rubber cap back under the handle. Don't forget to open the shutoff valves to restore water to your faucet. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully replaced the cartridge in your stylish kitchen faucet.